Land flight mode. Communication lost.
Okay. Come on. Had to be in this field somewhere. Oh, dear goodness. Battery must be dead because I'm checking on my remote and I got no connection whatsoever. So it must have battery died or turned itself off or something. I mean, on the footage, I'm pretty sure I made it in this field, not in one of these trees. You know what? Hang on a minute. Let me review the footage. Hang on. And it should be in this direction. Hang on, I think I see it. I see it. I got it. I got it. Oh, thank goodness. Yep, it had powered off. Oh boy, that could have been bad. All's well though. Drone is in fact powered on. Still got a flashing. That's because the battery's still low. Hang on. Let me power off. Okay. Well, hopefully I didn't damage a battery when I did that, but the good news is I found it. So, that is good. Oh. I guess I should have returned home a little bit sooner, but when I hit the return home button, my battery was at 45%, and I thought that'd be more than enough and needed out. But then after about 30 seconds of that, it dropped to 36%. Now I took the battery out of it, and as you can tell, there is some serious swelling. I think it got hot, like really hot, because I can feel the heat just radiating off of this thing. So yeah, that might have been part of, yeah. So I think the battery just got cooked, sadly. So at least it's just a battery and not the whole drone, right?